I see it's an ecosystem, and every solution has a different kind of people involved in it. But who owns the capex for these chargers? Who pays for them? And can you give us some insights?
Yeah, sure. So as I mentioned, there are two ways of as a Voltic, we are offering in two ways. One is the solution sale or capex sale. So mostly 95% these are AC slow chargers or home chargers for real estate housing society. So there the capex is owned by these companies, because these companies are real estate companies adding these as a now amenities. As I mentioned, now government is mandating, so they are also putting these as amenities. So as a Voltic, we are not preferring to invest or own the infrastructure in a AC slow charger, home charger, because it's a very slow charging and overnight charging. So that is where the economic viability is not that much good. But when it comes to a commercial charging station, so mostly the operator like Voltic, they own or invest on the capex and then own the infrastructure and maintain. So we maintain the solution, either it is a home charger, either it is a commercial charger, like warranty, MC, service support we are doing. Only the question is specific what you asked, the who invest on the capex. So home charger or slow charger, normally the client invest, and in the commercial charging station or DC fast charging station, we most of the time we invest and maintain and own the infrastructure. That is our business model. Since it is a license free business, so lots of people now willing to invest on the commercial charging station. So that is where we are also evaluating and providing them a first thing as a complete solution, like hardware, software, and all those things. Then the operation of charging station, like operation, as I mentioned, it is going to happen from platform. It is not a manual charging, it is unmanned charging most of the cases. So there our it is a, you can say, like a franchisee or partners to Voltic. So they will invest, but right now majority of investment is coming on a commercial or fast charging station from the Voltic.